Howdy YouTube. So, I made some videos about this already, about the autoclave giving me issues. At the end of the day, I'm pretty sure it's this pump is my issue, something inside of it. Well, originally, I thought I was only getting 500 PSI out of the pump, which I am on the, I guess they call it the B side, or the low pressure relief side. Which that's supposed to be less, from what I understand, than the main side. And what did I had the hoses backwards? I'm getting about 1500 psi out of the main side, but the problem that I have, which that should be, it won't be great. This they call it a counterbalance valve. I think they either a 4-to-1 or 3-to-1 is what I found out. So it's the amount of pressure it takes to open that valve, the swing pressure. Which I believe this takes about 1500 psi, something close to that, to do that. And the problem I'm having is that the relief side don't have enough pressure to push that open. It's not building enough pressure to do that. So that being said, yeah, it won't do that. So then I have to flip the things. Then I only have 500 pounds psi of raising ability. So I got the 1500 on the other end, but I need 1500 and like 2000 or something like that. So that's kind of my problem I'm at the moment. So I gotta, like I said, I'm still waiting to get a quote back. I should have that back tomorrow. But I think I'm gonna go ahead and yank this pump off, drain the fluid, and see just take this off and just look around a little bit. Be nice if it was just like a broken O-ring or something, but I'm not convinced on that. But yeah, that's what my goal is today. Just gonna take it off and, excuse me, see what's what. But yeah, so that's kind of the deal with autocrane. Nothing too exciting with that. But this is just gonna be an update video. I have a part of the video I'm gonna put. Well, I might just put the video up instead. Yeah, so that's that. And I'll let y'all know when I get that apart and if I find anything. But we'll walk over here to the Welding 2.0 kind of deal. Which this small Chevrolet Silverado. It's an 03. Got the welding the surface body on it. I'm liking it so far. I like surface bodies for some reason. I got it all mounted. I still gotta finish this bumper right here up, but I'll get that when I get that. Nothing. Probably gonna procrastinate on that, but you know, hey. But yeah, I got everything. I still gotta get set up, get it cleaned out, get another hook for that, make something for that. But yeah, that's what I got going on this. I mean, I'm liking it. I'm really liking it. I'm still trying to find an engine drive or something to put in here. Got a couple ideas, a couple of leads, but nothing set in stone or nothing. But I got a spare tire mount to put up underneath, but I just gotta install that. Thought I'd make a little boom crane, or maybe getting one of those little cheap Harbor Freight cranes and putting on here. Don't know yet. We'll find out. Everything's up for not debate. Well, I don't want to say debate, but so yeah, I think once I get this bumper straightened out, and then yeah. So my goal, what I'm thinking about doing with this truck is, when I do finally find an engine drive, I'm gonna make a skid. I got some 10-inch C-channel over there that I'll make a skid out of. 2 pieces of that. Then just have somewhere I can throw the skid in and take it out, put it in. That way, if I got another truck, or if I need 2 welders on the I don't know what name for that. The welding truck, and that. But we'll see. I mean, that's all up for debate, like I said. I can't see. I hope this comes out good. Let me get in the shade so I go. But yeah, so that's basically what's going on. Nothing too exciting going on here. Trying to get that done. It's actually Easter Sunday. Just wanted to get a video out for y'all. I've been slacking, I know. But yeah, so yeah, that's the update on that. I'm probably gonna pull that because I got some time. And then after that, I gotta get some connecting and finish the lights on the forklift. Yeah, I got a couple other things in the shop I'm working on, nothing too major. Just kind of taking it easy. Just taking it easy. But yeah, so I want to wish everybody a happy Easter, and I hope everybody having enjoying it and taking it easy, taking a break or walking, whatever you'd rather. But yeah, so I want to thank y'all for watching. I want to thank all my subscribers once again. I should have some more content up here soon. And yeah, every time I upload. And yeah, y'all have a good one.